Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, software developer. We are looking into SQLite Database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about composite index. In the previous video, I explained about single column index. So if you did not watch it, so you can go to that particular video and watch. And now we are going to see composite index. So to create a composite index, we have a simple data. We have a simple table, and inside the table we have only few rows, 4 rows. So yeah, let's see how we can create the composite index. So composite index is nothing but it's creating index on more than one column from the table, from the same table. So we cannot create column create indexes on different columns from the different tables, right? So the column should be in the same table, but we can create one or more than one column from the table, right? So now we are going to create more than index on more than one column from the table. So for that, and I forgot to tell about the snippets available in SQLite Manager. Whenever we write the query, we can also use the snippets to get the particular statement. So you can see I'm going to create the index. For that, I'm going to write IND. So IND snippet will be used to get the statement of the create index statement. Okay, so if I enter tab, so I'm getting this um, this syntax, this statement. So this is a simple statement to create an index, right? So now create index. The index name is, sorry, index name, it will be name, gender, composite. On table name is parent, and the column names are, so here in the last video for single column index, we gave a single name of the column, right? And here we need to mention the two names, and because this is a composite index. Now I'm going to specify the first one, and second one will be gender. So this is for me, I'm going to create a index on name and gender columns. So in your case, so you may have different columns, right? So you can specify when you use that both columns in where conditions, like name equal to something like this, and gender equal to female. Yeah, in my case, I know the name of the parent is Anna, and his and her gender. Okay, so I can write the query and filter out. I can write the query to get the particular uh, result, right, by using the where condition with the columns, with the um, column which I know already, which I know the value of the columns already, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the index for these columns, because I will use this query often, okay, in my project. So let's assume like that. Okay, I'm going to create the index, composite index. So now if I execute, our index is created. To check, you can see our composite index is created, right? So now whenever we run this query, so if we have more than a million records, so we will get the results quickly. So as I said, indexes are used to improve the performance of the select statements. Okay, so this is how we can create index um, to more than one columns on the table. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and like. In the next video, I'll explain about unique index. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you.